In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team permissions in Hootsuite. Managing team permissions is an essential part of maintaining a streamlined workflow and ensuring your team members have the appropriate access to get their tasks done efficiently. Let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly navigate this process. First, we need to start by logging into Hootsuite. This is the gateway to everything you need to manage within the platform, so make sure you enter your credentials and click that login button to access your dashboard. Once you're in, take a look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon sitting there. Click on it to reveal additional options. After clicking your profile icon, you'll be presented with several choices. Here, you're going to select social accounts and teams. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your team's permissions. Next, you'll see a list of your teams. Go ahead and select the specific team you want to manage. This will pull up detailed options related to that team, which is exactly where we need to be. Now that you see the team member list, find a user whose permissions you wish to adjust. Simply hover over the user's name and a little gear icon will appear. Click that gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see an option to manage permissions. Go ahead and select this to delve into setting up permissions for the particular user. At this stage, you're presented with a drop down that allows you to choose the type of permission for the user. Let's break down your choices to help you decide which is the most appropriate for your needs. Choosing default will give the user basic access to the team's social accounts. This is sufficient for general users who don't need deeper access to the team's assets. If you want to allow more comprehensive management abilities, you might choose admin. This permission level grants the user the ability to fully manage the team, including members, permissions, and connected social accounts. It's perfect for team leaders or project managers. For more granular control, the custom option is your best bet. This allows you to define specific permissions tailored to the user's role and responsibilities, providing flexibility to cater to unique circumstances. And finally, there's Super Admin. This level includes everything an admin can do, plus the capability to manage other organization assets. It's reserved for those who need the highest level of access and control. Once you select a permission level, rest easy knowing that changes are saved automatically. There's no need to hunt for a save button, your settings are securely updated in real time, and with that you now have the knowledge to effectively manage team permissions in Hootsuite. Remember, choosing the right permission level ensures your team operates smoothly and effectively. Thanks for watching and happy managing.